It's a beautiful day on the soldier. He was very, very excited. He was brand new to the neighborhood the railway. All the engines are working hard. Then Hugo broke the bell away. She went into the Ace Works. He was brand new, a yellow bell, a till rain. The thunderstorm strikes. Before we're gonna make all rain before tornadoes. Horton was very sad. She went into the Ace Works. Later, Ferdinand spoke sincerely on Horton. He was very, very so worried.
Hello, Horton. I'm Ferdinand. What's wrong, Horton? I am feeling sad, Ferdinand. My name is Horton. Don't worry, Horton. Let the workman villager take a pizza out. Now close your eyes and don't open your eyes, Horton. Here we go, Horton. Now you can try, Horton. You are doing best, Horton. Okay, Ferdinand, I'll do it. See, it's better, Horton. You can do it, Horton. You can do this, Horton. You're doing such a great... Oh dear! Horton, I am so much proud for you, Horton. You open to the eye and see her piece is gone. So, have fun now. Alright, Ferdinand. Bye-bye.
And Horton about steam sadly away. He was very, very upset to fail. Horton doesn't feel good. He was meeting new workman Bernard.
Hello, Horton. My name is Bernard, but I am a brakeman.
But Horton doesn't feel well. He said, "Hello, Bernard."
But he doesn't make you swap you, Horton. But he wants to sad, Horton. Why? Because you are a good trade. I am so much proud for you, Horton.
Then Mavis and why?
Hello, Horton. I'm Mavis. Why are you sad, Horton?
Because I don't feel good. But the strong is out.
No. You cannot make it give up, Horton. But strong don't give up with an engine or with a solid soldier. But the hills are shit up there. But the hills are way down the hill, Horton. You cannot give up. You can do it. You are doing best strong engine with a furnace engine.
Horton was very happy. He don't give up with a strong engine. He was still best forever.
Yes, I am never give up. I am best strong engine.
Wow, you can do it, Horton. You are the best strong.
Horton was very happy. He was the best strong engine about the winners about the strong with the exercises. Horton collected your troublesome trucks, whatever you are, with Island Soldier to the neighborhood railway.
Oh wow! I can't believe you. I am best strong. I am really useful engine. Woohoo! My name is Horton. I am very excited. Who wants to take off the piece with a part? Oh yeah, this is gonna make it now. Go ahead. Let the trainer go. Or the border with stop. Of course I will. I am best strong engine. Engine about to best strong. I am feeling happy. I am by the instinct, and that's how a kicking won't strong. I am doing have fun with a now. With a what now? About it with a talk about, think about. And let's see with the steam engine, the lawsuit with a piece. I like to with a locking with a chain. Oh, no. Let me talk about James and the Percy. We're glad you indeed. Oh yeah. Woo! I am best one. You better wait for it and be going here next time before we're gonna make it on side. Oh yeah, I am best one.
Horton was very happy. He was still waiting. Before he was very delighted before White. White had gotten away from course and take care of it after Americans very young dogs. He was fighting stick to together. He was a very good old. Horton was very happy. He was very good with a warm engine. Was really useful engine. The steam engine looked at him. He was very excited. The steam engine was very proud to see him.
Come on, Horton. You can do it. Pick it up, Horton. Pick it up. Pick it Horton. Make an elephant with an engine, with not talk about with a dark sky. Dark sky, don't be with hard sky, with a United States of America. Right? I am very good for
Seriously, no, stop. Because I am a big, strong with an engine, with today. No one will stop like me. Due to all my strong engine. That's a very my face though. About to go in. He was very good indeed. I am feeling proud about a really useful engine before. But fact, you are not dead wrong. Before I understand, you know, with a yummy, not doing strong engine. Before I'm gonna make it your appreciate it. I am doing her best strong with an engine, not a bio stick. Before with all your stuff, we're happy. Listen, with I understand. Before fight with all your before I good strong of helpful and
Horton went up to hill. About he was brand new rich. He was very excited. Must keep us safe with all together. Before him, with a great bridge, he was very old, delighted, very good, smart. He was very good with a strong engine indeed. Suddenly, there's a storm on the track.
Oh no, Bernard! What are we going to do now? We need to help!
I know, Horton. What are you going to do now? What is they going to do it there? Why did you do that, Horton?
Then there's trouble. Trouble country with a free coach and a faster. Trouble heard of faster and faster. Trouble had brought him place, but then it was too late. Trouble, he was very on the well, supposed to be off the track. Luckily, no one was hurt, but Tub was still miserable.
Lost my buffers! Now I'm gonna do now! And now the people get us mad!
Horton felt terrible again. He felt miserable again. That evening, Horton felt sad again. He spoke to Symphony Mr. Sokol, Avatar, The Last Airbenders. It's all his fault.
Oh dear! Mr. Sokol, I am really so sorry for making angry. I am really so sorry. But Top was still accident. Sir, it's all my fault. He doesn't like me. It's all my fault. Now we're gonna do. People are gonna make it all mad. And now I am gonna make you scrap me. Scrap me. And it's all my fault. About him with a bad diesel. He was a bee with a young man. About to spot her daughter be insult with me. But he wasn't disturbing, sir. Sir, can you take your James to the spring railway? Sir, I am sorry for making angry again. I am really so sorry.
That made Mr. Sokol was very happy to see Horton.
Well, Horton, you did it. Horton, I am very happy and tell them I apologize for Mr. Teachers with a manager.
That made Horton was very happy. He was very delighted. Just then, James arrived. He said hello for Horton.
Hello, James. Are you feeling today? Yes, I am doing strong, James. I am strong with the best still ever.
And Horton and James were very happy. Join us about the strongest engine before special with the strongest. He was a very old strong about the special.